Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Hope you guys are well. Welcome back to my channel. I have not done this in a very long time. I have not done this in ages. And this is a Primark shopping haul, a Primark haul. I have not been into Primark in such a long time. So not too long ago I went to Primark on Oxford Street and I thought, let me go see what's going on in Primark, what's new, what's exciting. I was basically thinking of spring and summer. I mean, I know we're in the month of February and spring is actually coming, so I just wanted to see what they've got. Let's get started. So I picked up this pair of shorts. It's a short shorts. And you know the days where you just want to lounge at home, a t-shirt or a tank top and a pair of shorts, this would be perfect. Or if you want to film your videos, you just want to put like a nice shirt on and you want to get like a quick pair of bottoms to wear. Not a quick pair of bottoms, but you just want to put something on. Perfect, size medium. And not quite sure how much this was. Oh, this is only £3. And there we're going to love the blue stripe detail. And you do have some frill details to the bottom right there. Really, really, really nice. £3 just to lounge in. Next, I picked up this purse, and it's in a mustard color, and I don't have a purse in this color, and I thought this would be nice for the spring summer season. This is £6, and you do have space to the front right there. You have a zipper to the back. Well, just close this. Sorry. You have a zipper right there. Okay. And you have another zipper right to the front. So, you know, if you're going out, let's say for an evening, or you want to go to a show, a movie, a little date, you want to go to the grocery store, why not? And it's a perfect color for spring summer season. It's not too bright. It's the perfect shade. And the handles could be pulled down as a crossbody as well. But of course, you can just wear it just over your shoulder. And I figured it's just nice enough. You can put your phone, your wallet, keys, you know, a bottle of water can fit in here perfectly, and then you are good to go. And this little bag is, this was £6 at Primark. I really like that. I think it's a really nice one. And then I picked up this, hang on, my bag's falling off my chair. And so I picked up this other bag, and this is more of a work style for me. Because with my job, I'm in the medical field, and my job, I'm in the boardroom all the time. And this bag is £14. I like this style, and you've got cute little details happening right there. And this is the bag. On the inside, you do have the straps. You can probably put it over your shoulders as well, like a crossbody. But it's a nice bag. You can just put like in by your arms and stuff like that. I really like it. Very classy, very boardroomish, very executive looking. And again, £14 from Primark. It's a good buy. Great for the spring summer season. You can dress this up in a nice pantsuit, shirt, leggings, you know, trainers. You can just dress this up, dress this down. And it's not very big. It's a really good size. And you know, on the side you do have like a little crop detail right there. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, and lovely, lovely detail. It doesn't look like it's cheaply made. It's solid, beautiful bag. I like it. Great to take to work, you know, going into the summer, the spring summer season. Very nice. £14 Primark. And I picked up this is a eau de perfume from the PS brand, and this is only £7. Let me just grab my scissors so I can just open this up for you guys. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do that. When I went to Primark, I was so excited to be in there. I was like, oh my god, I haven't been in here in a long time. Let's see how fast I can open up this thing. Hold on, guys. Hold on. It's coming. Oh, there we go. And they had a sample out, and I smelled it, and it smelled really nice. And I love the packaging though. It's really, really cute. Oops. I just took the cover out. Oh my god. And there it is. This is the actual perfume right there. It smells really, really nice. Let me just spray a little bit. Oh yeah, this is my kind of scent for sure. I cannot describe notes to you guys, but when I smelled this one, I thought, wow, very spring-like, very summer-like as well. It smells wonderful. And this is called True Destiny. And it's right there on the box, True Destiny from Primark. And this is, this was £7. Not bad at all. Very, very attractive looking bottle. You know, you can put this in your vanity, in your bathroom, in your beauty room. Really, really nice. It smells wonderful. Oh my goodness. And then I picked up, this is an Intense False Lash Effect Mascara. £3. Lovely packaging. And there we go. There we go. And I guess this mascara is going to give you the effects like you've got false lashes. I mean, I am so tired of buying mascara that says it's going to give me, it's going to make my eyelashes look like I'm wearing falsies. Never happened. And this is the packaging right here. And this was only £3 from Primark. You know, sometimes when you go into Primark, you can go a little crazy and you can buy all kinds of crazy things. But I find the clothing and all of that is it's nicely improved now. And then these are the PS brand beauty blenders. I remember the first set of beauty blenders I got when I came in, when we moved to London. They were from Primark, and I remember that black beauty blender lasted for a long time. It was very, very soft. Oh my God, I'm destroying the package. I didn't even show you guys the packaging. Very, very nice, cute packaging. £2. There we go. Very nice. And let me just open this up for you guys. I mean, my God, the packaging for these things is like, ugh. Oh yeah, nice and soft. There we go. These are the beauty blenders. Ooh, I really like those, and it has a bit of an angle right there, as you can see. And this is just like the teardrop one. Really nice. And it comes in this little, cute little packaging right there. Very nice. Love that. And I picked up this PS brand. It's a Bronze Glow. Let me just see how fast I can open up this one. This was only £1. Only £1. Let's see if I can open this up quickly and show you guys. Oh, there we go. Oh, pretty easy. It is a bronzer. Let me just see. This is it right here. Not bad at all. Well, the bronzer is supposed to go around the face, not in the center of the face. Oh my God, this is really nice. For £1. Oh, wow. Wow. Holy. I'm dipping into it. Very nice for £1. It's a bronzer. It's a PS brand. It's a PS brand. It's called Bronze Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. It's called Fearless. Just in case you pop into Primark, pick up on one of these. Really nice. Look at that. Very, very pretty. What else do we got? This is a liquid matte lipstick. Let's just see how fast I can open up this one. And I remember when I had done some shopping from, what was it? I think it was Superdrug. And by the way, this lipstick is only £2. I had to spend a whole day just trying to open up the plastic from some of the products because they're just so tightly wrapped. It's just not funny. So let's just try to pull this apart. Just see what the color looks like. It looks pretty neutral to me. I'm not quite sure why I'm such in the neutral zone these days. That's it right there. Almost like a glossy color to it. Very pretty. I can't wait to try this. Wow. This one is called Desire, I think. I don't have my glasses on, I may be wrong. Let's see what else I got. So next I do have the bath sponge from Primark, only £2. And I find these last so much longer than the ones that I buy in Boots or maybe Marks and Spencer or someplace else. These last so long in my shower. And I always like to stack up in these, so I do have one more, but I thought let me just get another one. And it's just £2 for that one. Next, I thought I should try their charcoal cleanse and purify foam cleanser, £2.50. And it draws out impurities, excess oil, and helps refine pores, deep cleansing, and helps improve skin complexion. And this is it right here. And sometimes I think the cheaper brand of stuff really does a good job as opposed to buying the expensive brand. But I'm just going to see how this works and if I really like it. What else do we got? I picked up this PS brand Finishing Body Bronzing Brush. There we go. Let's just open this one up. Oh my god, let's see how quick I can open this one. Oh, pretty quick. Look at the size of this brush. Oh my god. It is so big. Oh, it's a bronzing. It's called a body bronzing brush. And this was £4 at Primark. Very nice. I can even use this to put on my Who Needs Clothes from Fenty Beauty as well, like for the body, to give me like a good, nice bronzy look. Very, very nice. I would recommend you guys get one of these. It's gonna look so nice on your vanity. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And I picked up a bra. You guys know I'm into my bras lately. 34F is my size. And I love this color, and this bra was only £4. And what's the color of this? I think it's called Mocha. Beautiful color, and it's not padded. Just like it. I just want to see how well this is going to wash, if it's going to disappear in my washing machine. You never know. Never know. Next, I do have this beautiful blue and white striped shirt. Everyone needs a blue and white striped shirt in their collection in the spring and summer season. Look at the beautiful, gorgeous stripe on this shirt. And I love the way the back is cut right there, with this cut right across to the top. I love the sleeves. It is a full fitting shirt. You know, one of those oversized shirts. So this is a size 14. And I would wear this with white leggings, white pants, or gray. Typically, you're gonna think, well, black. No, don't go with black. Just go with, I would say, white or gray. Beautiful shirt, great for the spring. I was about to say fall. You can wait for the fall too. Great for the spring and summer season. Very, very nice. Love this one. Next, I do have this gray dress. This is in a size 10 because it's a kind of a it's a generous fit, and it has a bit of a stretch to it. And this was only £8 from Primark. It's a charcoal gray dress. Really simple. It's like a little sort of a t-shirty type of thing. And boat neck, round neck right there with a pocket to the side. You know, this is one of those things you can wear when you want to do your YouTube videos. You want to do some sort of a vlogging. You put this on. Again, for lounging, you can do that as well. Really nice, really, really simple to just throw on. If you want to just put a pair of black leggings with this to go out with a scarf around the neck, a crossbody bag, and you're good to go. Very, very nice. It's not very thick, not very thin, and it feels really, really good on. I like it. I mean, I would wear this at home, and like I said, if I'm doing a YouTube video, just throw that on, some earrings, a necklace, and you're good to go. Last thing I'm going to show you guys is this top. This is a size medium, and this was only £6 from Primark. It's a typical white shirt. You know, just gonna wear for the summer season with some leggings and some shorts, or just a lounge piece as well. And there you go. Very, very simple, and from Primark. And again, this is in the size medium, and this was only £6. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one or two things. If you are living here in the UK, Primark is a place to go to do some very inexpensive shopping. It's a really, really good shopping experience for you. I do love this brush. You should pick up on this. It's really, really good. I think I may go back and get another one and then do a giveaway. I just might do that. But yes, that's all for today's video. Everything is going to be below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Bye.